What's up guys, Jordan Penguin here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix this. So basically this pops up when your settings for thumbnails and longer videos, it's not enabled. So basically let's get into it. So what you guys want to do is go over to YouTube. You guys want to click your little profile. You guys want to go down to YouTube Studio. And then you guys want to go over and scroll all the way down and go to settings, go to channel, and then go to go to feature eligibility, and then this won't be on. So enabled, you guys want to just click this down arrow, and then you guys want to go down, and then you guys want to verify your phone number. You will have to enter the phone number to do the custom thumbnails, live streaming, and a bunch of other stuff. So then you guys want to click verify phone number, and then you guys will enter your phone number. So you guys can click either one of these. And then I'm going to blur the screen and enter my phone number. Okay, and then you guys want to select the country or country, and then hit get code. Okay. So then a text message will be sent to your phone number. I'm going to blur that out again. Okay, so now you're going to enter the verification code. Okay, then after you guys want to hit submit. Okay, so then it verified it. So now if you guys go back over here, it should be enabled. So now you can go to your you can upload thumbnails and longer videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and tell me anything else I should upload, like any tutorial or gaming video, and I will do so. Bye!